How to restore from MobileTrans backup file. Step 1. Install and launch MobileTrans on your computer. Step 2. Open the Backup and Restore module. Select from the list of backup records, and click on the backup file you'd like to restore. Step 3. Choose MobileTrans backup file. Select the backup file you'd like to extract from if you made several backups. Step 4. Select file types and start to restore data. If you want to erase current data on the phone, you can tick Clear Data before copy. It's not checked by default. Select the file types you'd like to restore and click on the Start button. It will complete the restoration in a while. Please keep your phone connected during the transfer.